Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to upload or how to post video on TikTok from PC. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So you can see this is Google Chrome browser. You can use any browser, then search tiktok.com, and I already logged in, that's why it's my profile. So what you can do, so simply click here upload button. You can see, click here, then you will see the canvas and select video to upload to drag and drops. MP4 or the WebM it's supported, and here you can see up to 10 minutes, less than 10 GB, and the resolution 720 is to 1280. So simply click select file, then choose your video, then here you can see you can give your title here like beautiful teacup. I just write randomly, and then here you can see this is your video. And what you can do, so scroll down, then here you can see the option post, and you can choose the settings, or you can also edit the cover photo. Then click the post, then this, okay, I'm just going to post and I'll show you how it works. And your video being uploaded, so it takes few time to upload. So friend, today's no man, see you in the next video.